Okay. Solve the inequality. Solve the inequality 4x plus 14 is less than or equal to x plus 5, then less than 3x minus 1. We have got 4x plus 14 is less than or equal to x plus 5 less than 3x minus 1. So, and illustrate the solution. Illustrate the solution on a number line. Illustrate the solution on a number line. Okay, now when you look at this kind of inequality that we have, it is different from the one that we had in example number 1 and number 2. So this is actually 2 in 1. We have 4x plus 14 is less than or equal to x plus 5. Let us first write this alone. You need to be very careful here. So we write that as 4x plus 14 is less than or equal to x plus 5. Okay. Now, after that, we will have another one, which is x plus 5 is less than 3x minus 1. This one. X plus 5 is less than 3x minus 1. Is that okay, student?
Okay.
Okay. So, as we have seen already in example 1, this will be our step 1, this will be our step 2, and step 3 will be to show this on a number line. Step 3 will be the number line. Okay, now let us begin with our step number 1. We have got 4x plus 14 is less than or equal to x plus 5. So we take this x to go this side and we bring this 14 to go this side. So it implies that we are having 4x minus x is less than or equal to 5 minus 14. So 4x minus x, we will get 3x, which is less than or equal to minus 9. That is 5 minus 14, it will give us negative 9. So we are going to divide by 3 on both sides. Since we are dividing by a positive, there is no problem, the sign will not reverse. So let's divide to have 1 here and here to have negative 3. It implies that x is less than or equal to negative 3. Is that okay, student?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now we go to step number 2. We will solve the inequality x plus 5 is less than 3x minus 1. And we will bring this 3x to come this side. And then we take this 5 to go this side. So let's begin right away. So we have x minus 3x is less than minus 1 minus 5. So x minus 3x, we will get minus 2x, which is less than minus 6. So for this problem, you see that we have to divide on both sides by a negative of 2. And remember, dividing both sides by a negative integer will reverse the inequality. We are having less than, but instead we will have more than. So here we will get 1, and here we will get 3. So it implies that we have x is more than 3. Is that okay, student?
Yes.
Okay. Now we look at step number 3. We are going to illustrate this on a number line. Okay, so let's draw the number line. Let's draw the number line. Okay. Okay, so let's say that this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and let's have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, have -6 that side. Now, let us show x is less than or equal to -3. X is less than or equal to -3. Because we have got less than or equal, it implies that we are going to use a closed circle. Now we go at -3, we get a closed circle. Since it is less than or equal to, it implies that we are going to go to the left. Okay. Now, since that is finished, let us show let us show x is more than 3. Since this is more than, we are going to use an open circle. So we go at 3, we use open circle. Since we have more than, it implies that we are going to go to the right. So we go to the right. Okay. Now, when you look at this number line, we do not have any overlapping area. So there is no overlap. No overlap. So since we don't have any overlapping region, it implies that we do not have the solution. There is no overlap. So since there is no overlap, it means that no solution. Do you understand that, student?
Yes.
Yes, we don't have any overlapping area. So there is no number that can make this inequality and this inequality true. Okay. So that is how we solve simultaneous linear inequalities. We will try the final example. let us try the final example. Um, um, let us solve 8x plus 13 is less than or equal to 4x minus 3 less than or equal to 5x minus 11. 8x plus 13 is less than or equal to 4x minus 3 less than 5x minus 11. And then we will show this on a number line and illustrate the solution on a number line. Okay, so our step one, we will separate this to have it as 8x plus 13 is less than or equal to 4x minus 3. Then the next step, we will get this part, which is 4x minus 3 is less than 5x minus 11. Is that okay, student? Okay. So, and the final step will be to show this on our number line. Okay. So this is step one, this is step two, this is step three. Okay. Let's have 8x minus 4x is less than or equal to minus 3 minus 13. And we have 4x is less than or equal to minus 16. And then when we divide on both sides by 4, we will have x is less than or equal to minus 4. I hope that is okay. Then we will have 4x in our step 2 minus 5x is less than 11 minus 11 plus 3. So 4x minus 5x, we will get minus x. It is less than, what do we get? Minus 11 plus 3. That will be minus 8, right? So if we have minus x is less than minus 8, and we get minus x out of minus 1 and minus 8 out of minus 1, it means that the sign will reverse. So we have more than, and it means that x is more than 8. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now we are going to show this on a number line. So let's use a scale of 2. Let's say that this is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So for this one, x is less than or equal to minus 4. So we will go at minus 4. We will use a closed circle, and then we go to the left. Then after that, we will show x is more than 8. So it means that we will go at 8, we use open circle, and we go to the right. So when you look at these two inequalities, we do not have any overlapping area. So this means that since we do not have any overlapping area, so we say no overlap. And since there is no overlap, it means that no solution. So this means that we do not have any number that can make this inequality true and this inequality true. So there is no number that can make both inequalities true. I hope that is understood.